Okay guys, for yesterday, the many comments why they see people they ask me how they go take get their AdSense, how they go take get their AdSense. Understand that you no go fit get AdSense on your own. You must get AdSense with domain. Get website. If you no get website, you no get business with AdSense because AdSense no go fit give you AdSense. They take AdSense, go chop am. No. Now from your website they go look but they approve AdSense on them. I hope you understand that. Some of the ways wey they get AdSense now one, which is the easiest and the most popular. You can buy AdSense accounts from people wey dey sell. They're full Facebook, okay? They even dey various groups. So they sell AdSense account. You just find somebody where they trusted, where they real. You buy AdSense account with them. You know how to negotiate. They have different type of AdSense accounts. Maybe I go make a video talking about that, but just understand say they buy AdSense. And when you buy AdSense, it come with domain. Bam. And number two is you create your website. I don't tell you now for previous video, things, how to set up your website. Now you create your website, you begin the post, you post, then you apply to AdSense by visiting google.com/AdSense. You register, normal registration, you know hard, add your website, bam, they will send you to a dashboard. Tell you say your website is under review. You go wait. Sometimes 2 weeks they don't reply, you say they reject them. 3 weeks they reply, you say approved. It depends on how you set up your website, whether your website makes sense to AdSense. Once it makes sense, sharp they accept them. Note, it depends on the type of niche where you still post about. If you go to post about entertainment wait for everywhere, copy post. AdSense no go approve you. You need original content. And you don't even need many, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12 posts. AdSense go use and review your website. Approve you. Make sure so you get privacy policy pages and all the good contact us pages for your website before you apply for AdSense. That's it. Number 3 way now still through YouTube. People they get access through YouTube. So if you be YouTuber, you get YouTube AdSense, okay? You can from that your YouTube AdSense add websites to it. So from there you don't get your AdSense account. So these are some of the ways. There should be more where they say they get AdSense. But I don't just tell you the first 2 ways, which is like the most visible. People like us now, we don't even access ourselves, they create website again. We don't already get smartphones, so we just they buy. People they when their business now to just create, flip, buy, resell. AdSense they cost too. I just let you know. AdSense they cost. So who want buy AdSense now? We get domain. I don't know how much they sell this period, but people they get different prices. So you just have to check around. Well, okay, maybe I put one group where I get this group, you understand, but I build that for bloggers. I put that in the comment. So it's about AdSense buyers and sellers. You can see people where they buy and sell. You can even use some of my admins for the group as escrow so that you go not save money no loss. It clear, I be no clear. If it clear, you good. If you not clear, until then, I don't mean.